here from Southern Delight. So glad that you joined me today. Well, I'm trying to catch you up on what I have been up to lately. And boy, has it been a very, very busy summer. My husband and I have actually not moved once, but we have moved twice this summer. And we're just now getting into our new home and getting set up. And then of course we have fall around the corner. And I haven't had a chance to do a whole lot of crafting. I've been trying to get my house organized and set up. But I will take you through a tour and just show you some of the older items that I did, like some of the fall items that I did last year. I have those videos downloaded on my channel, so if you want to, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And just go in there and search Southern Delight Fall, and those will pop up for you. But I will just show you some of the crafts that I have done in the past, because I don't have time to be crafting at the moment. But it'll be real soon, and I'll be getting back to that. But come on and join me, and I'll just give you a tour of what I've got going right now. I used a coastal theme out here on my back porch. So I'm going ahead and I'm using the items that I put together last year for fall. I did a coastal theme and a video showing you how I put these pumpkins together. And I just used a little bit of Mod Podge on that and some napkins. This one had a beautiful octopus on it. I had my very first encounter with a live octopus at this time last year. We took a vacation to Key West, and I did download a video of that wonderful little octopus that I got to meet, and I am just mesmerized by them. Just absolutely love them. They are such curious creatures, very intelligent too. But I just wanted to bring in some little subtle hints of fall without kind of going overboard right now. Like I said, we're just now starting to get settled in, and these are some of the older crafts that I did.